Hello everyone, welcome to Kobe Laser. We're glad to have you here for a factory tour. Let me take you inside our production facility. Behind me is our self-developed intelligent flexible processing center with 5 gantries. It significantly improves our production efficiency. This is our general assembly workshop. All semi-finished components are assembled, tested, and packaged here before delivery. Behind me is our annealing furnace, a key part of our heat treatment process. It measures 17.5 by 4 by 2.5 meters and can handle up to 5 machine beds simultaneously, greatly enhancing our manufacturing efficiency. Here is our robotic welding station. All machine beds are welded by robot, replacing manual work and improving both efficiency and quality. This is our flagship product, the cantilever type steel secondary processing line. It is capable of cutting round pipes, square tubes, H-beams, angle steel, channel steel, bevels, and flat plates. With its versatile functionality, it is highly favored by our clients. This is our Galaxy Series production line, designed for thick plate and bevel cutting. With a maximum width of 5 meters, it uses continuous flow production to meet delivery deadlines. This is our automatic uncoiling and blanking line with multi-gantry laser heads. It's ideal for the automotive industry, cutting with 3 heads, simultaneous over, 3 times more efficient than standard machines while saving floor space. Behind me is our intelligent laser processing center. Thanks to assembly line production, we can deliver machines in just 3 to 5 days. As you can see, we are shipping now. To ensure on-time delivery, we implement efficient production scheduling and logistics management. At peak times, we can ship 3 to 4 machines per day. We warmly welcome you to visit Kobe Laser for a tour and further cooperation.
Kobe Laser, lead with light.